Hello, this is your first assignment, the professional interview, located at 1.1.0. You're going to be conducting a personal interview of an individual in the field of engineering technologies, or another high-tech, high-demand field. Your interview must be documented in your engineering notebook. You're going to have three components to it: the professional background, the interview, and the interviewer's reflection. You are going to record this in your engineering notebook, and you importantly must keep a copy of this electronically so that you can use it for further references. You will be submitting this in electronic form when the due date arrives. The procedure will be this. You will first discuss with your teacher who you would like to interview and obtain the instructor's approval. You must then contact that person 1 to 2 weeks in advance so that they have time to schedule you in their busy schedule. Remember, they're doing this out of the kindness of their heart. Be professional, dress appropriately for an interview. I would ask you not to interview your parents or direct relatives. I want you to ask somebody else. Step outside your comfort zone. Interview somebody that you may not know and see how they became uh, in their particular career choice. If you need any help, ask your teacher, and your teacher may supply you some names of people that might fit who you would like to interview. Now, in the professional background, you need to gather the interviewee's name, their specific degree, the place of employment, and their email or phone number so that you can have documentation of that. Then you need to ask them in the actual interview itself questions. If you want to ask any additional questions, you may seek the instructor's approval. So the questions are: please describe your engineering field. What is your current job title? What do you do in your particular job? What's the average work schedule? What is your, starting with high school, describing the educational background chronologically? If they had to do it all over again, what would they change both educationally and in their career? And what advice would they give you to somebody who wants to pursue this career choice? Now, when you're done with the interview, I want you to then write up a personal reflection. You must do this again electronically, and you must answer the questions: what surprised you the most about the interview? What was the most important piece of information that you learned in this interview? And how has this interview influenced your feelings about the future career? Here is the rubric, and the rubric states that if you want to get full 100%, you must include all the required sections, has page numbers and appropriate headings for the different sections, a professional background that includes all the important all the completed information, the actual interview itself with all the questions answered, and then your reflection is grammatically correct, includes all required information. Make sure you are using spell check and reading over your assignment. This will be a big portion of your grade. If you have any further questions, please talk to your teacher.